Assalamualaikum and good day. I am ZULAIKHA binti Muhammad AFENDI and my metric number is B142410205. Now, I would like to explain about our product, the Autodry Smart Clothes Drying Rack. In the past, people dry clothes under the sun, a slow method that depends on the weather and space. But today, many live in flats or apartments with limited area to hang clothes. That's why we create the Autodry Smart Clothes Drying Rack. It works indoor or outdoor, fits small space, and dry clothes faster. No sunlight needed. It's modern, efficient, and perfect for urban lifestyle. Next, I will briefly explain the product selection process for our project, which involves 8 key steps. First, we identify customer needs and define clear product specification. Then, we brainstorm ideas and select the best concept based on feasibility and user benefits. Next, we plan development step, finalize technical detail, and evaluate the product through testing. Finally, we prepare for market launch with proper strategy and packaging. This structure process ensures our product is practical, innovative, and ready for real-world use. Now, I will explain our product selection process, target user, and market needs. Our main user are urban household, high-rise resident, and working professional. They need affordable, compact, and space-saving solution that can dry clothes efficiently in any weather. Product selection criteria. The product must use solar and sensor-based drying, be foldable and compact, include UVC sterilization, support 35 to 40 kg of laundry, and use an AC blower motor. Next, justification of product selection. We selected a foldable stainless steel frame powered by a 1000 watt solar panel. It includes heat and humidity sensor for automatic drying and UV sterilization for hygiene. So, for this slide, I will briefly present the design brief of our product. Target audience. Our product is designed for urban household, high-rise resident, and working professional, especially those living in high-rise building with limited drying space. For objective, the main goal is to provide a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to traditional clothes drying method. We also aim to reduce the dependency on weather condition. Our problem statement is drying clothes in city homes is challenging due to limited space. Unpredictable weather like rain or humidity affects outdoor drying. Plus, traditional drying racks are bulky and not suitable for indoor use during bad weather. For our material, we selected aluminum alloy and stainless steel as our main material due to their durability, strength, and resistance to rust.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is AFIEQAH binti ZAIRIZAN SHAMSUL and my metric number is B142410236. So next is design process input. The method that we use is questionnaire, which is Google form. Our main target is high residential. This is the first question that we ask, knowing them either male or female. The next question is to know their group of age, and most of them is between 18 to 25. So we move to the next question, which is by asking them what kind of high-rise building that they live in. Most of the is flat, which is 36%. So the next question is what floor that they live on, and we get between 1 to 5 floor, which is 52%. After that, by knowing how long they dry their clothes is very useful for our survey, and most of them take 6 to 12 or half day to dry their clothes. The way that they dry their clothes is important, and usually they use sun drying, which is air drying outdoor. The method is most common way. For the next survey question is giving us about how much that they can afford for dryer clothes, and we get around 200 to 600, which is not in the high range of price. So for the last question is about the space. Common problem that high-rise people having is space. So we get to know them about the space enough to dry their clothes, and like we expect, most of them say no.
Hello, my name is Nitya. So before beginning our design, we conducted a competitor study to understand what the currently available in the market. We found that many drying racks focus on the basic functionality, few address the weather dependency or the space saving with the integrated smart technology. So this inspired us to innovate a new design of drying rack. So we introduced some features such as extended hanging parts to increase the drying rack capacity, an AC motor blower to speed up the drying, humidity sensor to automate the drying based on the environmental condition, and the last one is we add a solar panel to power the system sustainably. So this innovation form the foundation of smart, compact, and energy efficiency cloth drying solution. So for new design innovation, we examine the existing drying rack solution to identify the gaps and the opportunities. Most competitor product lacks of advanced features like automation or environmental adaptability. In response, we introduce the key innovations such as an AC motor blower, extended hanging parts, solar panels, and also humidity sensor. These features are not only improve the drying efficiency but also align with eco-friendly practice and smart living. So now the design process began with each team member need to sketch 10 different type of product design. This step encourage creative thinking and allow us to explore various form of factors, functionalities, and mechanism. From each team member's set of sketch, we selected the most appealing design based on the factor of usability, aesthetic, feasibility, and the innovation. These steps narrow down the design direction and gave us a clear picture of what features resonate the best product goals and the user tools. Third step, we compared all the selected sketches and finalized the best design concept among them. This winning concept effectively balanced form and function. And finally, the chosen design was translated into a detailed drawing using a computer-aided design, or also known as CAD software. So the CAD drawing enabled us to visualize the component placement accurately and prepare for prototyping and assembly.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad NAFIZ bin ROHIZAT and my matric number is B1424130. So today I want to explain about every part of our product. So the first part is going to be the main body. So our main body is consists of AC motor blower socket, which is the place that we put the AC motor blower. And we got the wind path, the place that the wind will pass, and also the sensor humidity with 5% accuracy. So the second part will be the 1000 watt solar panel, and this is the loop. So the third one will be the lifting part, and we got the 3 type of lifting part. And if we take a closer look, we can see the difference between these 3 types. So the fourth part is the holder for the steel that hang the clothes, which is this is the main part of hanging, and this part will be attached with the steel rod. So the next part is extra extended hanging part, which is there is innovation that we put at our product, and it is really different between other product. It also can extend from 12 cm up to 20 cm. And the last part will be the 1200 mm rod. This part is used to hang all of our clothes, and this part also will be attached with the main part of hanging. So we move to the next slide, which is design assembly. The outcome after assemble, and we got the 4 perspective view, which is isometric view, top view, side view, and the last one is front view. The next slide is design exploded. The exploded view of assemble. So this is the exploded view for our product. So the last slide will be the conclusion. The conclusion that we all can make from that point is the Autodry smart clothes drying rack, which is our product, is a modern solution that reflects a commitment to a practically smart innovation and sustainability. Designed to simplify daily routines, it offers user-friendly features that suit all types of household. By integrating smart technology into a traditional appliance, Autodry enhances convenience and efficiency through automation and intelligence drying functions. At the same time, it also decreases our expenses of electric because of the solar, and save the energy operation, and eco-friendly materials support a more sustainable lifestyle. Autodry is not just a home appliance, but it is a step towards smarter and greener living. Thank you.